Victor Johansson and Sigrid Jostein live in an idyllic part of North Sweden. However, one winter day in 2017, their peace was disturbed. It was then that a creature fell into a frozen lake outside their home. After watching it struggle for a while, they grabbed an axe and got to work. Sweden is known for its long cold winters, which sees most of the Scandinavian country covered in ice. During the coldest month of the year, February, temperatures can plummet to a teeth-chatteringly cold -7 degrees Fahrenheit, sometimes even lower in the far north of the country. However, rather than battening down the hatches for the winter, the Swedes like to enjoy themselves when the weather turns cold. And judging by his YouTube channel, Victor Johansson has more fun in the snow and ice than most. In one video Victor uploaded to YouTube in March of 2018, he and some friends can be seen using the endless snow to build an igloo. However, it's another clip on the Swede's channel that gained him international attention. In February of 2017, Victor and his girlfriend Sigrid had been at their home near Örnsköldsvik in the north of Sweden. From the window of their cottage, the couple enjoyed an idyllic view of a frozen lake. However, one day they noticed something unusual on the ice. Speaking to Swedish newspaper Aftonbladet in 2017, Sigrid explained, "We noticed there was something strange about the ice a few meters out from the beach. Then we saw there was a moose that had fallen through. The mighty creature had somehow fallen through the ice into the freezing water below. To make matters worse, temperatures were so low that the lake had already started to freeze around the moose, meaning that it was trapped in the glacial waves." Presumably unsure of what to do, Victor and Sigrid simply watched the moose to see if it was able to help itself. They thought that if the animal could find its feet, then it may be able to break through the ice on its own. However, such a feat proved to be impossible. The water was too deep. It seemed that it was trying to get up, but it did not work, Sigrid revealed. As a result, the couple decided they would have to take matters into their own hands. Armed with an axe and some long-distance skates, the couple made their way out onto the ice in order to save the moose. However, they were unsure how their rescue attempt would pan out. "We had no idea what we were going to do. We'd never done anything like this before," Sigrid said. But while the couple might not have been experienced when it came to animal rescues, they were at least used to dealing with sub-zero temperatures. "We're open-air people who are out a lot on cross-country skates," Sigrid said. So as Sigrid skated towards the moose, Victor caught the proceedings on camera. In the footage, he can be heard warning his girlfriend about the thin ice as they head out onto the frozen lake. Finally, they reach the moose, who's now flailing around in the water in a wild panic. Using the axe, Sigrid wastes no time in trying to cut a path for the moose in the ice. However, with every strike of the blade, the moose becomes more and more terrified, causing it to venture even further into the water. However, the couple refused to give up. So after 40 minutes of hard work, they had managed to carve the moose an escape route through the ice. Now all they could do was hope that the animal would walk itself out. In an interview with the newspaper Norges Allehanda in 2017, Victor explained, "We got ourselves quite sweaty. We got so tired. For a long time we thought that we'd not get it. We had to chop all the ice all the way to the beach so that the elk was able to touch the bottom. But in the fight against the frigid waters, the moose had grown exhausted, and the stress from all of Sigrid's axe swinging had only made matters worse. It was hard to know that we caused more stress and damage to the elk when we just tried to help," she later told Swedish TV network SVT. However, soon enough, the couple's hard work paid off. After gathering its strength, the moose found its feet and walked through the broken ice to safety. Once it reached dry land, the animal stopped for a second in some tall grass. Recalling the surreal moment, Victor told Västerbotten-Kuriren newspaper, "It almost felt like it would thank us, but after composing itself, the moose made off into the woods, much to Victor's delight. We were incredibly relieved that we managed to save it," he said. With their rescue mission successfully completed, Victor decided to share the footage that he'd captured on YouTube, and it didn't take long for the video to go viral, clocking up hundreds of thousands of views in just a matter of days. All of a sudden, Victor and Sigrid found themselves at the center of international attention. Furthermore, the couple were inundated with kind comments online. But for the brave couple, the greatest reward was simply saving the life of another living being. I hope you liked this video. If so, please hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to make sure you never miss a video from our channel.